Hi guys, it's Giddy Gilly, and you know how we do it right here. We do the giveaway. So guys, this is another scarf tutorial. So let me show you how to tie the Arabic scarf in two different ways. So you fold, then take it to the back. After taking it to the back, then you tie. You tie with the little piece you took, then you tie at the back. Please, you tie properly. Tie properly at the back. Now you can see look like a durag or a zara. Then the longer parts, all you need to do is twist. Then twist properly around the head. Twist. When the fabric is long, it can go twice. But if it's not that long, it's going once. You see? You can see how it's looking. This can suit for your when you're going to church or when you're going to the beach or when you're going to work. You can see how classy it look. Oh God, so sweet boy now. Gee. So guys, there are other ways you can also try this. You see that you put everything hanging, but this way you can serve as a band. You can serve that as a hairband. All you need to do is fold this into smaller place. Keep folding things small because we are going to create a headband in case if you're putting on your wig or you're putting on a braid. It can serve as a hairband. All you need to do after getting this, you take a smaller portion, then you place on your head. You can see? You place on your head. See it now. But I think this is too big, so I'll take it off to make it fold it a little bit smaller. Now that I've made it smaller, what you do now, you place on your head. You place on your head, guys. You can see how it looks. Then you tie at the back. Then you tie firmly. You can see it serving like a headband. So all you need to do with the remain, you twist properly. And you twist properly around the head, guys. Then you go to the back again and tie, or you just have to shock in it inside the one you tied before. So but I think this one, it was on my face, so I had to push it up. Then you see, and you know guys, trust me, you can also do this with Ashoki and it will be serving class. So guys, I'm waiting for you to try this out and do the giveaway and keep sharing, guys. Thank you. So guys, this is both finished look, so you can see how lovely and classy it is. So please keep doing it the giveaway. Please leave a comment and share. Thank you.